Is John Conrad the greatest man I ever served with? Well, I don't know. There was this one time in Kabul when he dragged my bleeding carcass half a mile to an evac chopper. So maybe I'm biased. But the facts don't lie. The man's a fucking hero. Remember when the first storms hit Dubai? You're probably all safe and sound at home watching TV. Well, Conrad was leading the damn 33rd out of Afghanistan. Instead of coming home, he volunteered his entire battalion to help with the evac. But all you did was send a check. Rumor is Conrad was ordered to abandon the city. He defied that order, and the 33rd stood with him. Now, the official story's still hazy about what happened next. All we know for sure is that the storms got worse. Much worse. Last thing we heard out of Dubai was that Conrad was leading a caravan of survivors out of the city. That was 6 months ago. Then, 2 weeks ago, we picked up this transmission.
This is Colonel John Conrad, United States Army. Evacuation of Dubai ended in complete failure. Death toll, too many.
Hey, Cap! Captain Walker!
What is it, Lugo?
Got a situation, sir.
Mission critical?
No, sir.
Then take it up the chain, Sergeant.
Roger that. Lieutenant Adams.
I hear you, Sergeant. What's your status?
Status is chafed, sir.
You say chafe, Sergeant?
Yes, sir. A local airborne insurgency has infiltrated the U.S. zone designated as my pants. Sir.
Shut up, jackass.
Gentlemen, welcome to Dubai.
Yep. It's still dead.
Yet to be seen, Sergeant.
You got a lock on that transmission?
Yes, sir. About 800 yards away.
And we're 800 yards away from seeing who's more full of shit. You or Intel?
Wow. If I wasn't a hardened killing machine, that might have hurt.
All right, remember, this place has been designated a no-man's land, which means we're not supposed to be here, so let's do this by the books, okay?
Roger, Dodger.
Okay, grab some cover. Now check your sights. Any movement?
Nah, we're clear.
Good.
Wow. What happens in Dubai stays in Dubai.
Come on, let's just find a way down.
You got it.
Whee!
That's enough, Lugo.
We're just keeping it light, boss.
Yeah, I don't need light. Need you focused on the mission.
What mission? We're basically poking a dead dog with a stick.
We have our orders. Locate survivors, leave the city immediately. Radio command from outside the storm wall. Send in the cavalry, and go home.
Hey, did you guys hear that?
You fucking with us? I am hurt that you'd even ask.
Ain't nobody here, man.
Sounds like the transmission.
Huh. Could've sworn I heard somebody.
Come on, let's just get this over with.
Hey! Anyone out there? Stalker says what?
Leave it alone. No one's out there.
Then what the fuck are we doing here?
Lugo's got a point.
Oh, you taking his side now?
When he's right, he's right.
Hey, command wants us to look around, we look around.
Colonel John Conrad.
I don't know. Sounds like a waste of 3 stone-cold, ruggedly handsome Delta operators such as ourselves.
Think of it as a paid vacation.
Well, for future reference, I prefer my beaches with a 3-to-1 sexy lady dead body ratio.
Lugo, do you ever actually hear the shit coming out of your mouth?
No, I do not, sir. I find it messes with my rhythm.
You know, it does feel like we're being watched.
Good. Someone should see how sexy I am.
Conrad.
This looks like the place.
Yep, this is what we're looking for.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's a distress beacon, but it ain't military. Someone built this out of spare parts.
Any idea who?
No, not a fucking clue.
God damn it. Walker, you better come see this.
Oh, fuck.
That's putting it lightly.
Body looks fresh.
It is. Even worse, he's 33rd.
Who did this?
Probably the same people been ghosting us.
It doesn't answer the question.
Don't worry. I think we're about to find out. My name is Captain Martin Walker. We're looking for survivors.
Why? So you can kill us too?
You speak Farsi? Maybe we can understand each other better. Agar in Torim harf bezanim.
Good call, Lugo.
This could go south
ما
real
قاتل
fast, Walker.
نیستیم. سرباز آمریکایی هستیم. اینجا هستیم که کمکتون
See that
کنیم.
bus over there? It's filled with sand. Push comes to shove, shoot out the window. Might give us an
The
advantage.
damned? Hey, یعنی the damned 33rd? سربازای دیگه چی؟
Kill them!
Take him out! Everyone move!
Look at these guys! They're refugees! Survivors of the storm! That's good, right? This is radio command. Give them the news. Be my guest! I'm sure they'll start shooting so you can make a phone call.
Gentlemen, let's talk before shooting! Got one!
We need to take cover! On your left! More! Coming over the dune! I got your back! Move! We're in position, waiting for your command. Walker, we don't got all fucking day. Let's get out of here already. Hey, Walker, give us the goddamn order. It's clear. Come on.
Keep moving. Out the back.
Grenade! Take cover.
Where's he hiding?
Billboard, cross the way. Give me the word and I'll take him.
Lugo, take him out.
Yes, sir. Here I go!
On top of that bus! Take
Heads
him
up!
down!
Contact! Hop down there! Another group coming out of that cargo container!
Head for that cargo box!
Walker, the door!
Thought we were rescuing people. The hell was that?
I'm picking up a distress call.
Patch it through.
33rd Dispatch, this is Alpha Patrol. We're under attack. Repeat, the insurgents have us surrounded. Request immediate assistance. Shit! Markson's down! We need backup!
Lugo, distance.
About 100 yards away.
Let's move.
Heads up! Contact! Yeah. 12 o'clock!
Şimdi bizim şansımız! Get down there!
Heads up! Tango, trying to move!
Tango down!
Reloading! Shit, man, we're taking some heavy fire here! This way.
Mayday! Mayday! This is Alpha Patrol, requesting immediate assistance. Is anyone out there?
Alpha, if you can hear me, we're approaching your position.
Oh, fuck. Thank fucking Christ. I think Martins's dead.
Are you hurt? Is anyone else with you?
There's 4 of us. We're okay, but we're running out of ammo. Can't keep them back for much longer.
Okay, stay cool. We're almost there. Our guys are pinned down in the fuselage.
We ain't been spotted yet. Might want to equip silencers.
Good call.
Take them out before they see us.
Hostile down.
Target eliminated.
Keep a low profile.
Don't you fire.